What's up, guys? We're back with another SpiceJet 555 video. Today we're going to be flying this SpiceJet into Hurricane Darby. This is going to be fun. Oh my god! Oh my god, the clouds are low. Guys, I have live weather on, just to let you know. So this is apparently what GeoFS thinks that it looks like in Jacksonville right now. We are going to have to turn this way. Oh my god, I'm almost going 500. Turbulence aren't that bad for right now. Oh god. A little flooding here and there. Or at least it looks like it. And guys, this is what I'm using to know where the storm is. So apparently, right now, it's near State Bureau. We're going to try and get there. And I think we're going to get there pretty fast. I just have to find State Bureau. There's Savannah. Where's Savannah on the map? Oh, it's right next to Savannah. We're gonna get there. And there is one rule. Can't go above these clouds. I have to deal with all these turbulence. Crap, I went across the crowds. Okay, we're getting very close to, I think, the coast. Honestly, guys, it's not that hard to fly. We are getting closer to the eye. So we are going to fly right through the eye and hopefully we don't get catapulted to space. Hopefully the weather service doesn't come on my video and say, why in the world did this dude just go through an eye of a hurricane? Or what is supposed to be a hurricane? What did I hit? I don't know what I hit. Okay, we are getting close to the eye. Wait a minute. Are those waves? Those are waves. Oh crap. Guys, we're gonna look for where I am and we're just gonna spawn there. I'm near this airport. We're just, I didn't mean to do that. We're just gonna spawn here. And we're gonna have to do a 360. Oh crap! There's the ground. Okay, honestly, guys, I honestly have not noticed that we're in the eye, almost to the eye. That's how non-infected this thing is. Because I think it's near Savannah right now. Or at least off the... It was near... Oh, those are some turbulence! Why do I keep going up? But I don't mind that I'm almost going like 500. Are these all flooded? I think we're getting closer to the eye. What? You're kidding me, right? I'm confused. I think we're gonna run back into the storm. Maybe I just need to get back over the water? I'm confused. It literally said that it was near Savannah. And I'm near Savannah. And where in the world is this storm? Yeah, it's near... there. Wait. I think I remember. The eye of the storm is always sunny, right? So I'm in the eye. That's why there's all these clouds surrounding me. Okay, we're near where... the eye is supposed to be. Jesus Louise, how big is the eye? Guys, I am officially going like 500 miles per hour. I meant knots. Whatever! Near speed. Don't I never made it to? Yep, guys, apparently this is what the eye looks like. So if you live in the eye, apparently you're perfectly fine. So take your Boeing 737 and cruise right through the eye of Hurricane Darby. You'll come out the other side. Jesus Louise, how big is this darn eye? Why am I losing speed? Oop. I think I'm way down in the eye. So this is what the eye looks like. Crap. It's really, really foggy. Because I'm still going like 500 knots. Surprisingly, it's not raining. It's just extremely cloudy in the eye. No turbulence at all. Okay, so I think I just went through the hurricane. Let me look up where the eye is. Where is the eye of Darby right now? Nope, it's not Florida. Wait, it is? Oh, rain! It's rain! Delightful! Let's first go to this place. Senhatchee. She hopefully it's in Florida. Okay, at 7 a.m. this morning there was a hurricane here. Where's the darn hurricane? There was some turbulence. Today's Tuesday, right? Where is the worst? Bet. Okay, guys. I think we visited all of whatever the thing was. We went through the eye. So this is SpiceJet 555 signing off. I don't know where my plane just went. My plane is doing a loop-de-loop inside of a hurricane. Is my plane gonna come back down? I think my plane is upside down. Is my plane flying upside down? And bye-bye, guys. we went through Darby, or whatever it's called. Bye-bye!